Hey everyone, welcome back to Try Manifest. Today, we're diving into the viral whisper method for manifestation. This powerful technique has taken social media, and I'm here to show you how to use it effectively. Let's get started. First, choose what you want to manifest. Be specific and clear. For example, instead of "I want more money," try "I want to receive a $5,000 bonus at work." Write it down and keep it in mind as we move forward. Find a quiet space, close your eyes, and take deep breaths. Focus on relaxing your body and clearing your mind. This state of calm is crucial for the whisper method to work effectively. Step 3. Visualize your target. Now, picture the person you want to influence. It could be your boss, a potential client, or even yourself. Imagine them clearly: their face, clothes, and surroundings. Make this image as vivid as possible in your mind's eye. Step 4. The whisper. Here's where the magic happens. In your visualization, approach this person and whisper your intention into their ear. For our example, you might whisper, "Give me a $5,000 bonus 3 times." Speak softly but with conviction. Feel the energy of your words as you whisper them. Step 5. Release and trust. After whispering, visualize yourself walking away confidently. This represents letting go of your desire and trusting the universe to make it happen. Don't obsess over the outcome. Instead, have faith that it's already on its way to you. And there you have it, the whisper method in 5 simple steps. Remember, consistency is key. Practice this technique daily and always approach it with positive energy. Let me know in the comments how this works for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more manifestation tips.